Hello, how to solve n times n times n equals 1 over 8, solving for the value of n that satisfies this equation. So n times n in power 2 times n. This is n power 3 equals 1 over 8. So right now, I can express 1 as 1 times 1 times 1. That is 1 power 3. I can also express 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 power 3. So right now, I have n power 3 equals 1 power 3 divided by 2 power 3. Now, if you have a power c divided by b power c, this equals a divided by b to the power of c. Applying this right here, I will simply have n power 3 equals 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. Now, let's move this over here. So I have n power 3 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. So let's expand this. That means I will apply this identity a power 3 minus b power 3, which equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And my a is n, and my b is 1 over 2. So let's apply them right here. Have n minus 1 over 2 times n squared plus n times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 to the power of 2 equals 0. So right now, I have n minus 1 over 2 times n squared plus n times 1 over 2. That is n over 2 plus, let's distribute this exponent, that is 1 power 2 divided by 2 power 2. And this equals 0. So from here, I have n minus 1 over 2 times, this is n squared plus n over 2 plus 1 power 2, that is 1 divided by 4. And this equals 0. So we can equate each of these to 0. Have n minus 1 over 2 equals 0. Have n squared plus n over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. Let's solve these individual equations. To solve this, we move this over here. Have n equals 1 over 2. That is my n1. To solve this right here, that is n squared plus n over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. This is over 1. Common LCM here is 4. 4 divides 1, 4 times n squared. You have 4n squared plus 4 divides 2 times n. You have 2n plus 4 divides 4, 1 times 1, we have 1 equals 0. So if you cross multiply, you have 4n squared plus 2n plus 1 equals 0. So let's solve this using the formula method. You have n equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of a squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. A equals 4, which is the coefficient of n squared. B equals 2 here. And c equals 1. F n equals, this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 2 power 2 minus 4 times a times c1 divided by 2 times a. So from here, Fn equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 4 minus 16 divided by 8. So from here we have n equals negative 2 plus or minus, this is negative 12 divided by 8. So from here we have n equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 8. So from here, Fn equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1, here is I. 12 is 4 times 3 divided by 8. So from here we have n equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 8. From here, n equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4, 2 times root 3 divided by 8, 1, 1, this is 4. So n equals negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 4. So from here, we can have our n equals 1 over 4 of negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So we have two complex values for n. That's n equals 1 over 4 of negative 1 plus I root 3. We also have n equals 1 over 4 of negative 1 minus I times root 3. So these are the two complex values for n. We also have one real value for n, which is this 1 over 2 here. So let's substitute it right here to verify our equation. We have n equals 1 over 2. N times n equals 1 over 8. We substitute 1 over 2 for n. Have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 over 8. 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1 divided by 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that is 8 equals 1 over 8. Left hand side equals right hand side. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.